If you're using an LED light machine like this, you will need to have lip and cheek retractors. There are several different kinds on the market, and we'll link to some below. These are pretty standard. They're a hard plastic, and you can assist your client, you'll see. We'll have some videos for you on that. But it opens the mouth so that the gel can be applied and the light can fit right on the top of the mouth to maximize their results. The hard ones, they're very hard. It can be uncomfortable as it sits on the gum line and actually create sensitivity, not in the teeth, but actually because the plastic is resting on the gum line. That can be uncomfortable. There are ones that are softer and more pliable, and these are actually the ones that we recommend the most. They do not cause as much sensitivity for your client. They're not as uncomfortable. But regardless, if you're using a light like this, please make sure that your client has some sort of a lip balm on their mouth, because as their mouth expands like that for 20 minutes or so, that can be uncomfortable and drying. So either provide them with chapstick or balm, or make sure that they have that with them before their treatment.